Hey, Tangerine, what's for dinner? Gyudon? Today we're going to make gyudon, a popular Japanese-style sliced beef over rice. Here are all the ingredients you need. It's simple, delicious, and we're going to make it within 15 minutes. 200 ml of water, 60 ml of soy sauce, equal amount of rice wine or sake, equal amount of mirin. Pour all the liquid ingredients into a large pan. Add 10 gram sugar in a pan. Grate 15 gram ginger. Add the ginger in a pan. High heat until boiling, and then low heat. Slice an onion. Cut radish into small chunks. Add the onion, radish into the boiling sauce. Cut some green onion. Add the white part of the green onion into the pan. Until now, the onion and the radish have been cooked for 8 minutes. Carefully add the beef slices into the pan. Make sure all the beef are soaked into the sauce. Low heat. Simmer the beef with lid on for 5 minutes. See how juicy and tender it becomes. 5 minutes later, the beef is fully cooked. My dinner is almost ready. The flavors of onion, beef, green onion, and ginger create a perfect balance in a pan. The equal amount of rice wine, mirin, soy sauce add a tremendous umami flavor into the dish. A perfect type of curry to go with gyudon is steamed white rice. The gyudon juice is the best part. Garnish with green onion and sesame seeds. See how pretty it is. Very simple ingredients and super fast to make. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know what you thought. More recipes are coming soon.